Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:37 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tampa Verde, or 8 miles northeast of Davis-Munson Air Force Base, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, small hail, dense blowing dust, and heavy rain. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tucson, Catalina, Oro Valley, Davis-Munson Air Force Base, Casas Adobes, Drexel Heights, Flowing Wells, Tampa Verde, South Tucson, Bosco Pueblo Yaqui Reservation, Mount Lebanon, Sabino Canyon Recreation Area, Catalina State Park, Catalina Foothills, Valencia West, Tucson International Airport, Saguaro National Park East, Tucson Estates, Rita Ranch and Seven Falls. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 between mile markers 252 and 270. Interstate 19 between mile markers 58 and 63. Route 77 between mile markers 70 and 87. Route 86 between mile markers 165 and 171. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm and possible dense blowing dust may occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the fall.